Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about WhatsApp videos images not showing in gallery in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please keep watching this video until the end. I have some solutions about this problem. First of all, open WhatsApp in your iPhone. Here you can see appears on screen. Here guys, now tap on setting. You can see appears on screen. Here guys, scroll down. Simply tap on storage and data. Here tap on it and you can see here guys, simply tap on photos, tap on it and select Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure go back and tap on audio. Make sure Wi-Fi and cellular selected. Here guys, videos, then tap on Wi-Fi and cellular. Go back, documents. Here Wi-Fi and cellular. Go back and one more setting, tap on chats and guys, turn on camera roll, save to camera roll, turn on. Here tap on setting. Here guys, you can see tap on photos, tap on it and all photos selected. Make sure and go back. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. You can see appears on screen. Guys, before doing this setting, first of all go to settings and must be check this feature enable or not. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp here guys and tap on photos and must be all photos selected from here. I hope just by doing this setting now your problem will be solved. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.